Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to get Wirecast virtual camera out into your Zoom meeting. Right quick, let's look at the application for this. Zoom is a great tool to bring multiple people together for an online video conference. Having the ability to add graphics, lower thirds, logos, PowerPoints, pre-recorded material, even screen shares is where Wirecast steps in. This is where we utilize Wirecast's virtual camera out. I already have Wirecast open. Let's go ahead and go to the output settings and we'll go to virtual camera out. Before you start virtual camera out, make sure flip video horizontally is checked. We'll go ahead and start the output. Now we will need to have the content in our live window. So we'll go ahead and take this shot live. I already have a Zoom meeting open. I've scheduled the meeting. Let's go ahead and start the Zoom meeting. There's the Zoom window. Go ahead and use computer audio. Now here you'll see where we can have our video selection. If we hit the up bar there, now that we have the virtual camera started, we can choose Wirecast virtual camera out. Go ahead and start the video. And there we have it.